I leave here feeling better than when I came in, so that's what really matters.
He makes me feel very comfortable. He's a fun guy.
In layman's terms, chiropractic works because all we're doing is taking a hard bone off of a soft nerve and taking the pressure from that nerve that goes to different parts of the body and letting the body heal itself.
I mean, I understand, the body, and it's a fact. If you know where the nerves go, you know that C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know which nerves are going through where. I mean, it's duh. But people don't know, that's the thing. They're uneducated about it, so.
And also I've worked in the chiropractic field, and so I've worked for a lot of doctors, so I actually know the skills and the dedication that go into it. And so I know, just from a patient standpoint, but from a career standpoint, is that he's very knowledgeable in the human body and how it works.
I mean, in general, I've had people say that you saved my life. And I was like, well, that's pretty nice of you to say, but I'm just a chiropractor. And they're like, well, doc, if you were walking around in the kind of pain I was walking around with, and after 2 or 3 adjustments, after getting an MRI and going to an orthopedic and getting sent to a neurologist and getting nerve conduction studies performed and spending all this money, and here you are adjusting my vertebrae back into place for 2 or 3 or 4 visits, and all of a sudden I'm healed, you saved my life. And I hear that story, not all the time, but lots of times.
I came in not even being able to stand up straight. I was in a lot of pain with sciatica running down my leg. And after the first visit, I had significantly less pain. And after a couple visits, totally fine and great, and feeling like I don't need to return. But I know better than that. You should keep up the maintenance.
He has all of the skills and the knowledge to be able to adjust you in a manner that's not only effective, but also very safe.
Well, I'm an avid tennis player. And when issues from a disc injury started causing sciatica pain, my leg was absolutely collapsing underneath me. I couldn't play tennis anymore, and I was very upset.
About 6 years ago, we bought a DRX machine, which is a decompression machine / traction machine.
Well, the orthopedic doctors, they offered me pain management or surgery to fix the problem. But Dr. Pachter agreed to put me on the DRX 9000. And within about 12 sessions, not only was my leg not collapsing out from underneath me anymore, I had no more sciatica pain going down my leg.
I'm getting that person off the medication, I'm adjusting that patient, I'm doing physical therapy on that patient, and I'm getting them better where they don't have to take that medication anymore. My office happens to be on every HMO and every PPO known to South Florida.
It's got a nice energy here, it really does. And it's a beautiful facility and office, very upscale. And I'm somebody that's not gonna go somewhere where I don't feel comfortable or I don't like the atmosphere, and 100% happy.
For 1 to 4 adjustments a month, without any therapy, without any massage, without any electrical stim, just straight chiropractic adjustments. And I thought that that was a great plan to bring back to South Florida.
For me at least, I have problems with my neck and my back, and usually if I can come in 4 times a month, I'm good for a little while.
So I looked in the mirror one day and I noticed that my posture, my shoulders were stooped over. So I went to go see Dr. Les because of the wellness plan. And after 1 treatment, I looked back in the mirror and my posture had already improved.
What's great about the wellness plan is that because we have a high deductible and a large copay to see a specialist on our insurance plan, is that we can actually get a month's worth of chiropractic care for what 1 copay would be if we were to use our insurance.
The other thing I love about Dr. Les is that I've never seen a doctor do this before. He answers every call personally, which I think is wonderful.
Because I'm good at what I do. I'm good at adjusting people. And a lot of people think that chiropractic is just about adjusting people. It's not all about the adjustments. It's about the knowledge that each doctor has. And I believe that my knowledge sometimes helps people better than most without even getting an adjustment.
He has a great personality, Dr. Les. He's not just somebody who comes in and makes an adjustment. He talks to you. You feel like you're talking to a friend. And he happens to have a great sense of humor. So actually look forward to coming in and seeing Dr. Les.
You walk out, you usually have a smile on your face, and you're much happier than when you walked in, for sure.
I mean, I just feel great about what I do, what my profession is, and I can't wait to do it for another 10, 20 years. It was great.